Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys an easier route to take if you want to get the Bold Grimkin achievement in Heartopia. So you're going to get a friend that's willing to do this with you, and you're going to host a hide and seek party. You're going to put it as only you and your friends so others can't join. I just did it in a private town, honestly, so people can't join me, and I'm only able to invite my friends, and only my friends are able to join with an invite. So basically, you're just going to do this, and hopefully, you get the Mysterious Grimkin role or not. If you don't, you have to do it a few times until you get it. It took me I think 4 tries to get the Mysterious Grimkin role. And basically, you just have to run around and pop the bubbles, and your friend just won't catch you, I guess, and you'll get the achievement immediately. And finally, I have unlocked the Bold Grimkin achievement by playing with a friend. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!